Welcome to The Explainer. Okay, let's dive into this, because today we are unlocking a step-by-step playbook designed for literally one specific purpose: your financial freedom. We're looking at a blueprint to hit a goal that honestly sounds completely impossible to a lot of people: making $10,000 a month. But we aren't talking about grinding out some miserable, decades-long corporate climb, no way. We're going to look at the exact path of becoming what's known as a digital architect. Look at these two numbers right off the bat: 5,400 bucks a month versus 15 grand. To put that into perspective, according to the data, that lower number, that's the expected monthly salary of a straight A university graduate who is, let's face it, probably burdened with a massive pile of student debt. The higher number, though, that is the monthly income of a disruptive student with absolutely zero debt and the complete freedom to travel the world. And this really hits the nail on the head when we look at the core divide here. Meet Joey and Kai. Joey followed the traditional educational path. He worked incredibly hard, got the degree, but is now super stressed over the rising cost of living and is absolutely terrified that artificial intelligence is going to replace him. Then there's Kai. Kai took the digital architect path. He didn't go to university. Instead, he paid attention to where the world was actually going. Now, instead of fearing AI, he leverages it to multiply his income. It might seem a little unfair, but it's a reality we really need to unpack. So how exactly do we get from Joey's reality to Kai's? Well, here's our roadmap for this explainer. First, we'll map out the digital architect path. Then we'll identify your natural talent, move on to finding high-value online services, break down what's called the skill maxing loop, and finally, wrap up with positioning and branding. Basically, we're taking that intimidating 10K a month goal and breaking it down into a totally actionable step-by-step playbook. All right, let's kick things off with Section 1, the digital architect path, and escaping the traditional route. While the traditional university route is definitely necessary for a lot of vital jobs in our society, the source material makes it clear that if your primary ambition is to hit high financial goals fast and gain personal freedom, it's simply not the optimal route. So what actually is a digital architect? Well, it's defined as someone who pays close attention to where the world is going and builds high-value online services to create a life of freedom, adventure, and wealth. The source argues pretty forcefully that this is, without a doubt, the absolute best method to make money online right now, blowing the traditional methods totally out of the water. Moving right along to Section 2, identify your natural talent and the myth of improving weaknesses. The source introduces this brilliant concept called talent maxing. It points out that the school system spends years forcing us to fix our weaknesses, which kind of strips away our natural genius. Get this, a study found that 98% of 5-year-olds scored at a genius level for divergent thinking, coming up with original ideas. But by adulthood, that plummets to just 2%. Your talent wasn't missing, it was literally just trained out of you. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, but I don't really have any natural talents, don't worry. The source outlines a talent tree, proving that everyone, regardless of background, fits into at least one of 4 main categories. You might be the organizer, the person who brings structure to chaos and keeps things humming. Or maybe you're the analyst, spotting patterns and figuring out exactly what works. Then there's the communicator, naturally influencing others and explaining complex stuff clearly. Or finally, the creative, the one who connects dots that others totally miss and thinks completely outside the box. So I want you to take a second right now and really ask yourself, which one of those 4 talent types are you? Seriously, think about where you naturally lean. Because to hit that 10K a month goal, you gotta make a promise to yourself to only work in an area where you have a clear, natural advantage. Got yours? Okay, great. Now that you've got that mapped out, let's jump into Section 3, high-value online services, or finding your vehicle. Because to hit $10,000 a month, you need a service vehicle that aligns perfectly with that talent you just identified. So the crucial point is, your chosen service absolutely has to follow at least one of 3 golden rules. Number 1, make a business more money. Number 2, save a business time. Or number 3, save a business money. If your digital service doesn't accomplish at least one of those things, businesses simply will not pay you premium rates for it. It's really that straightforward. The source actually maps today's top online services right to those exact talents and golden rules. It's like a giant puzzle coming perfectly together. For example, if you're a creative or organizer, doing brand identity allows you to make businesses money by elevating their perceived value. If you're an analyst, AI automation is a total goldmine for saving clients time and money. Deal-making is perfect for communicators, and video editing or funnel creation works wonders for organizers, analysts, and creatives. Your only job is to pick the vehicle that matches your innate talent. All right, let's accelerate into section 4, the skill maxing loop, and why learning absolutely must happen while earning. This concept completely shatters the traditional lie we're all told growing up. You know, the idea that you have to sit in a classroom for years mastering a topic before you're legally allowed to earn a single dime from it. Instead, you need the skill maxing loop, which involves 5 really crucial stages. First, you define. Just strip your service back to its simplest form. Next, you sell. Embrace rejection here. The source shares a fantastic anecdote about a son building a videography business simply by pitching local spots over and over until a caravan park finally said yes. Third is deliver. Real money means real feedback and learning under pressure. Fourth, fix repetitive bottlenecks using AI. And fifth, systemize. Reliability is absolutely everything, and tools like Odoo, which is an all-in-one business management software highlighted in the source, make this super easy. But here is the real secret. This is not a one-time checklist. It's an accelerating loop that increases your value every single time you complete it. Each time you loop back from systemizing to defining, your pitch gets sharper, your delivery gets better, and you build crazy continuous momentum. That is exactly how you turn from a scrappy beginner into a highly paid expert. Which sets us up perfectly for our final phase, Section 5, Positioning and Personal Branding, and Scaling Beyond 10K. We're looking at a mind-bending reality here. 2 people can do the exact same quality of work, but earn vastly different amounts purely based on how they position themselves in the market. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is seeing how shifting your words totally shifts your worth. The freelancer pitches, I design logos. It's simple, but it sounds cheap. You're selling a feature and competing on price. But the digital architect pitch? I increase perceived value so you can charge more. You are doing the exact same work, but you've shifted from being a business cost to being a revenue investment. That psychological shift totally justifies charging thousands instead of hundreds. Let's look at another quick example. The freelancer says, I build chatbots and landing pages. Again, just selling a feature. But the digital architect says, I automate manual bottlenecks and turn existing traffic into paying customers. See the difference there? You have to stop talking about what you do and start talking strictly about the financial outcomes you deliver for your client. $25 million. That is a staggering amount, right? Well, that's what CNN reportedly paid YouTube creator Casey Neistat for his company. But they weren't buying his business infrastructure. No way. They were buying the immense power of his personal brand. Creating a visible, authoritative personal brand is the ultimate key to scaling from $10,000 a month to $100,000 a month. Which brings us to a really powerful quote summarizing the core ethos of our explainer today. The biggest lie young people are told is that learning happens before earning. Real expertise isn't forged sitting in a classroom reading a textbook before you ever touch a client. It's forged out in the real world, under pressure, by providing actual, tangible value. So, I want to leave you with this final, provocative thought. Are you ready to stop thinking like a student and start building your future as a digital architect? The tools, the natural talents, and the high-value services are literally all right in front of you. Pick your vehicle, start that loop, and take action. Thanks so much for learning with us on this explainer, and we will absolutely catch you next time.